What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Kevin McAllister from Home Alone. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, work our way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. So up against the edge of the eye, we'll bring this in and out, and then line that up on the right. And then in the center of each eye, we're going to draw another circle going in behind that highlight, going all the way around and then out. Let's fill that center circle in black. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. And then we'll move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. So down here, bend the mouth going out, and then up, and then add a bracket on the end. Let's add some thick lips. Starting with the top, we're going to go up, and then out, and then draw in the bottom lip. Let's move up above the eyes and add in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, we're just going to place this on top of the eye. That is in and then down. Go back to the outside, we're just going to go up high in the middle and then back down. Let's raise the eyebrow on the right. We're going to step up, draw the bottom edge, go back to the inside and curve this up higher in the middle and then out. Now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down, coming in underneath the mouth, go across and then up towards the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the hair. We're going to start on the left, going up and then in. Let's add a point, coming down and go back up towards the top. Now we're going to work our way across towards the right, adding some points. Coming down and in, go back up. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction, going out and then down in between the eyes. Bend that back up. Just gonna add a few more going across. Let's go around the eyebrow and down. And just work our way towards the side of the head. Let's place the ears along the side of the head. Starting on the left, we're gonna go up, round this out, and then bend that back in. Let's add a fold along the top of the ears, going up and out. Go back to the inside and draw a hook. Now I want to part the hair over on the left side. So we're going to step up, let's add a point of hair going up and out. Pull that back in. Go around the side of the head, come down and then in on top of the left ear. Now when you go back up to the top, let's add a point going up and out towards the right. And then back down. Curve this up towards the top of the head. Go across and then down. Let's add a point and go out and just pull that down and then in on top of the right ear. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. Starting over on the left, bend this down and then up. Let's move out to the side and draw the body, going out and then down towards the hips. And then we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a strap going across the shoulders. Starting from the left side of the collar, bend this down and across, just up on top of the right hip. Move over and draw that again, coming down and then out towards the right hip. In the center, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, bend this out and down towards the right heel. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start from the left side, bend this down and then up, go to the right and do the same thing. I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. I want to curve this up. I want to bend that down, aiming towards the heel, and just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. Then we'll go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick cuff along the bottom, bend this in and then down on both sides. And then we're going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. I want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side, holding 2 hair dryers. Let's start from the left side, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now from the wrist, we want to curl around the thumb. Go up and bend that down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. On the outside of the thumb, let's draw an oval, going all the way around and then back in. And we'll tuck 2 more fingers underneath. Starting from the bottom, draw another oval, pull that up, and do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the outside of the thumb, and the second finger, and then the third. Let's add the handle coming down from the finger up towards the thumb. So we're going to start down here, round this out, and just pull that straight up underneath the thumb. Let's move up above the thumb and add a curve, going in and then out towards the top. Let's round out the top, going up and then down towards the outside. And then from the outside, draw a small oval, coming around and then back up towards the top. From the bottom of that oval, bend this down and then in behind that first finger. Let's add a seam across the front, adding a curve. And I'll bring that cord coming down from the handle in behind the feet. So let's start on the left. Come around, out, then bend that back in. Let's go back up to the base of the thumb, curve the palm, coming in, and then bend that out in behind the handle. And then from the inside of the palm, bend the arm coming in, and then up in behind the body. Now to place that rifle in behind the body, let's start from the left side, angle this up and out, flatten off the end, and pull that back in towards the arm, and just separate the tip. Let's draw the handle of the rifle, come straight down and out, flatten off the end. I just want to taper this back in behind the leg. Let's go back and add a couple cargo pockets along the side, starting on the left, come in, down, and back out. And I'll do the same thing on the right. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Kevin McAllister from Home Alone. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.